Hello students, so welcome back to the class. In the last class we discussed regarding the principles for filling up of atomic orbitals. दुईटा principle विषय पढ़िथिलु कोन ना above principle and Pauli's exclusion principle. So we discussed above principle, N plus L rule and Pauli's exclusion principle, which states that no two electrons will have all their four quantum numbers alike. Conclusion कोन पाइथिलु? Now the capacity of an atomic orbital is 2. That means an atomic orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons with opposite spin. Then we will go to the last rule, that is Horn's rule, which is applicable for degenerate atomic orbitals. But before that we will learn how to write the electronic configuration of elements. Electronic configuration of elements. So after that we will discuss the Horn's rule. Electronic configuration of elements. So students, I told you that you had learned to write the electronic configuration by cell notation, but now you will learn by SPDF notation, that is subcell notation or orbital notation. So we will learn to write the electronic configuration either by SPDF notation. That means we will write the electronic configuration subcell wise, which is easier one, or we will write by orbital notation. Orbital notation. You know that each subcell is further subdivided into some orbitals, so it is more easier to write the SPDF notation. सेटा लिखा पे बहुत सुविधा हबो. So तुमको जे पर्यंत न पचरा हिची, you don't go for orbital notation unless you are asked. Do not go for orbital notation. Simply you have to write down SPDF notation. Okay. So what is SPDF notation? Now we will write subcell wise. So for that you have to remember this picture. You have to remember this picture. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 7s. Then 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. Then 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 7d. This will not be required. Then F will start from fourth one, 4f, 5f, 6f. Up to this one we require. Okay, no need of writing 7f. 7f लिखिए दरकार नहीं, 7f पर्यंत इलेक्ट्रॉन जीवो नहीं. 4f, 5f will be enough. 6f will also not be required. Okay, so better write up to 5f only, because this much we require. Then how the electrons are filled up? Now when we connect them diagonally, हमको तो diagonally का connect करने को होगा. कही थी तुमको last class रे, we have to connect these subcells or these orbitals diagonally. ताले we will get the order in which these atomic orbitals will be filled up. Okay. So this is in accordance with which principle? Now Aufbau principle or building up principle. This is in accordance with Aufbau principle or building up principle. Like this. Okay. So you have to keep this one in mind. एटा तुमको आखि आगे रखिया पड़ियो समय. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन लिखिया पाई you need to keep this one in mind. आउ रे कोन कहितली capacity of subcells S, P, D and F. What is their capacity? Now S subcell has capacity of 2, P 6, D 10 and F is 14. So in order to write the electronic configuration you must keep these two things in mind. एटा तुमको आखि आगे रखिया पड़िबो so that you can write the electronic configuration. So let us start how to write the electronic configuration. By which notation? I will go for SPDF notation. We will not go for orbital notation right now. We will go for SPDF notation. That is subcell wise we will write SPDF notation. Okay. We will start with hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1. So you know atomic number means number of protons, and for a neutral atom it is also number of electrons. So neutral atom by number of protons है, number of electrons है, तो atomic number will give you the number of electrons. तो atomic number पाइबो जे तुमको केतेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन तार विभिन्न सबसेल ले अरेंज करिया अछि. How will arrange them? In different subcells. So गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि फर्स्ट कोटा फिल अप हबो 1s. So what will the configuration? Now 1s1. So this is how you write the electronic configuration. Electron will be first occupied by 1s atomic orbital. So one electron is there. Hydrogen केतरा इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि गोटे. तो configuration हबो ना 1s1. सेमती हीलियम का सिवा दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन रहला atomic number होछि 2. So 1s2. What will be configuration of helium? Now 1s2. बर्तन देखो 1s ता बर्तन फिल अप हो गेला कारण s एटा सब आखि आगे रखिबो s र कैपेसिटी होछि 2. The capacity of s subcell is 2. तापर मन कर लिथियम का सिले छा लिथियम 3 कोन हे जिवो 1s आगे इलेक्ट्रॉन जिवो कोडी 1s बीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन हे गेला. नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन विल गो टू 2s. इलेक्ट्रॉन केतरा अछि लिथियम रे 3. देयर आर 3 electrons. So 2 electrons will be occupied by 1s. Then next electron will go to 2s. So 1s2 2s1. What is the configuration of lithium? Now 1s2 2s1. Then we will go for beryllium 4. What is the configuration? 4 electrons are to be arranged. 1s2 2s2. 4 electrons 1s2. Then electron will come to 2s. Now look 2s is also exhausted. 2s capacity भर्ती हे गेला. Next electron will move to 2p. तेणु आम करिवा बोरॉन पाखरु 5. What will configuration? Now 1s2 2s2 2p केतरा रहला 5 टा इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि 4 हे गेला 2p1. ओके. देन कार्बन 6 1s2 2s2 2p2. Then nitrogen 7 1s2 2s2 2p3. 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन देखो 2 2 3. Then oxygen 1s2 2s2 2p4. Okay. Fluorine 9 1s2 2s2 2p5. Then neon 10 atomic number is 10 1s2 2s2 2p6. Okay. Then sodium 11. Now look p also is exhausted. p ର capacity केते थिला 6. p बर्तन सरी गला. नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन will move to 3s. ताले कोन लिखिबा छुआ 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. जो sequence अच्छी you have to follow that sequence strictly and keep this in mind. What is the capacity of the subcells? So sodium कोन हे जो 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. आमे आपको आगुटा वे लिख परिबा देखो छुआ this is the configuration of गोटा अंडरलाइन करली. what is the configuration? That is the configuration of neon. तो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भीतर लिख दो ताकू neon. ओके. तेणु तापर कोन आछि छुआ 3s1. So this is another method of writing the electronic configuration. Square bracket भीतर कोन रख दबा ना previous जोटा थिला तुमर inert gas. previous inert gas रो सिंबल टा खाली लिखि दो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट भितरे ता माने एटा इट मींस नियन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मींस कोन 1s2 2s2 2p6 so this is the configuration of neon then electron will go to 3s then magnesium 3s2 3s तक सरी गला magnesium पकरे next from aluminum electron will go to 3p okay it will go to argon होबो 3p6 then again 3p6 पर की आसला 4s so next 4s1 for potassium 4s2 for calcium so like this you can write the electronic configuration of all the elements so what is your assignment so based on this your assignment is write down the electronic configuration write down of the electronic configuration of elements from z is equal to 1 atomic number 1 to z is equal to 30 atomic number 1 to 30 पर्यंत निजे लिखिबो so this is your assignment you have to write down the electronic configuration of elements from atomic number 1 to atomic number 30 so students this is very easy this notation is known as SPDF notation खाली तुमको एटा तुमको जतले लिखिया से प्रैक्टिस करबो you have to keep these two things in mind सबले रफ राइट आगे लिखि दबो तापरे निजे प्रैक्टिस करबो दुई तीन थर प्रैक्टिस करला परे देखिबो it will be remembered by you okay so this is the easiest method called SPDF notation and this is how you have to write down the electronic configuration then we'll move to orbital notation and Hall's rule okay then students will go to your orbital notation एबे हम जस्ट सिखिलु how to write the electronic configuration of elements using SPDF notation that means it is a simple one we have to remember only the subcells and their capacity SPDF S is 2 P is 6 D is 10 and F is 14 electrons तो सेटा को आखिया के रखिबो आ जो तुमको as per above principle जो पिक्चर टा कर देछि the order in which the atomic orbitals are filled up ताकू रफ रे लिखि दबो and you try to practice at least thrice तीन थर नियति प्रैक्टिस करो the electronic configuration of elements from 1 to 30 hele it will be easier for you tale concept ta tumko clear hobo then we will go to orbital notation and Hall's rule okay orbital notation first orbital notation then only you can follow the Hall's rule that means सेठी कोन लिखुतलो हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन को सबसेल वाइज फिल अप करथुलु व्हिच वाज इजी एथि हमको वी हैव टू रिमेंबर हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल्स आर in how many subcells subcells contain how many orbitals तुम सेटा मन रखियो पड़ियो subcell ले प्रत्येक subcell ले केतना orbital अछि their names you have to remember okay so suppose you start with let us say carbon atomic number 6 subcell wise केमति लिखुछ 1s2 2s2 2p2 so this is how you write the electronic configuration of carbon by SPDF notation बहुत इजी होछि तुमको बट यदि मु तुमको ऑर्बिटल नोटेशन कथा कहबी दिस इज SPDF नोटेशन ऑर्बिटल नोटेशन केमति लिखिबा छुआ ना C6 इट विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू ऑर्बिटल्स कहिछि छुआ ऑर्बिटल्स हमको स्क्वायर बॉक्स भीतर लिखिया पड़िबो 1s 2s and 2ph 3 orbitals जानि छ 2p रो 3टा ऑर्बिटल अछि कोन ना 2px 2py 2pz 2px 2py 2pz so this is the difficulty with orbital notation तुमको मन रखिया पड़ियो स्पेसिफिकली जे को सबसेल केतना ऑर्बिटल you know 2p subcell has 3 orbitals along 3 possible axes that is x axis y axis and z axis accordingly they are named as 2px 2py 2pz तार छोटा इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब भर्ती करिया 1s will be filled up first so put the electron like this कहिछि already but हला spin up position but हला spin down position 2sp2 एठी अब किछ असुविधा नै it will be in accordance with कोन ना n plus l rule एठी किछ असुविधा नै 1s will be filled up first प्रथम दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन जीवो 1s को then the next two electrons will go to 2s then how many electrons remaining 2p orbital पई केतरा रहिछन दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन so normally कोन होबा कथा this should be the configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px2. No. Here the Horn's rule will be applicable. It कौन आसीबो? Horn's rule will be applicable. 1s टा काहे आगे fill up होची 2s अपेक्षा? I have already explained because n plus l value of 1s is less than 2s, therefore it will be occupied first in accordance with above principle. जे atomic orbital with lower energy will be filled up first. जार energy कम से आगे fill up होगा. But what about these three orbitals? 2px, 2py, 2pz. These three orbitals are having same energy. They are having same energy. तो कौन कहबा छुआ? That's why they are called degenerate orbitals. Degenerate orbital कहले कौन बुझছো ताले? ना orbitals having same energy. And only for these orbitals Horn's rule will be applicable. So normally छुआ कार्बन रे देबे लिखिबा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन कोन था ना 1s2, 2s2, 2px2 normally होबा कथा. But what will be the principle? What will be the correct one? Now 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1. Okay. सेमती देखिबा नाइट्रोजन एटम नंबर 7 sp2 रे केता हो 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So sp2 प्रोडक्शन न नाइट्रोजन कन्फिगरेशन हो 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 हला ताले लिखिबा छुआ नाइट्रोजन रो ऑर्बिटल नोटेशन लिखिबा 1s 2s then 2ph 3 orbitals कौन कौन कहली 2px 2py 2pz 2px 2py 2pz fill up करिया में 1s first will be occupied by the electrons 1s जेहेतु एनर्जी सब टू कम बीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन होइबो तापर इलेक्ट्रॉन जीवो 2s को so 1s2 2s2 it's okay about 1s and 2s सेठी किछ असुविधा नै clearly defined by n plus l rule जे 1s आगे फिल अप होबो तापर 2s जीवो again 2px 2py 2pz what are they are degenerate orbitals तो नॉर्मली होआ कथा कोन अब तीनटा इलेक्ट्रॉन बढिछि माने कोन होआ कथा एठी दुईटा एठी गोटे रहबा कथा नै रे so normally this should happen this should be the configuration of nitrogen but no what will be the configuration now the correct configuration will be this one all the orbitals will be singly filled they will be occupied singly so this is the correct one okay so this is in accordance with Horn's rule tale kon mark kalo Horn's rule le Horn's rule so the filling of atomic orbitals that is for degenerate orbitals it is governed by Horn's rule clearly मन रखिबो एटा कोनोसी अन्य ऑर्बिटल पय एप्लीकेबल नहे it is only applicable for degenerate atomic orbitals that means जो ऑर्बिटल एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल एनर्जी समान अछि ताको कहबा degenerate atomic orbitals so मन रखिबो Horn's rule is not applicable for all the orbitals it is only applicable for degenerate atomic orbital ना समस्त पे applicable नहे ताले रूल कोन कहउछि छ देखो एठी 1s2 2s2 2px2 होआ कथा किंतु हैला कोन 2px1 2py1 सेमती एठी होआ कथा कोन 1s2 2s2 2px2 2py1 होआ कथा किंतु हैला कोन ना प्रथमे समस्त सिंगली फिल अप हेले so all the degenerate orbitals are singly filled first that is Horn's rule okay so what is the statement no filling up of degenerate atomic orbitals no filling करो ना no pairing up कर दियो no pairing कर दियो no pairing of electrons takes place no pairing of electrons better word habo no pairing of electrons take place in degenerate atomic orbitals no pairing of electrons take place in degenerate atomic orbitals unless each atomic orbital is singly filled माने गोटिकिया फिल होइतो ताको कोन कहबा छ singly filled भला बुझलो जे पर्यंत सबुतक डिजेनेरेट एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल सिंगली गोटे गोटे करी फिल अप होई नथिबे से पर्यंत पेयरिंग हेई परिबो नाही नो पेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विल टेक प्लेस इन डिजेनेरेट एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स अनलेस ईच एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल इज सिंगली filled से पंचो देखटी 2px2 हेलानी कोन हला 2px1 2py1 सेमति एटी 2px2 2py1 होता कोन हला 2px1 2py1 2pz1 हला जे पर्यंत समस्त गोटे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन न पाइछन्ती पेयरिंग हेई परिबो नाही दैट इज कॉल्ड हर्ट्ज रूल अब सेकंड पॉइंट अछि when the atomic orbitals are singly filled the spins of the electron remains parallel to each other what does it mean देखो छुआटी तीनटा देखो कोन अछि स्पिन अप पोजीशन अछि तुम यदि आ भीतर गोटे भी वोल्टेज दबो स्पिन को माने स्पिन डाउन कर दबो यदि गोटे भी वोल्टेज दे के एम्ति कर दबो इट विल बी रॉन्ग जते बेले सिंगली फिल अप हेबे either समस्त spin up रहिबे नले spin down रहिबे so when the orbitals are singly filled सेटा सेकंड पॉइंट देखो when the atomic orbitals are singly filled the spin of the electron remains parallel to each other ता माने जहां को समस्त तीनटा कर स्पिन समान रहइबो so this is incorrect ताले करेक्ट वन कोन ना मु जेमति लिखितली फर्स्ट समस्त का स्पिन गोटिए प्रकार रहइबो so this is the second point so all the spins will remain parallel to each other हला so this is Hond's rule आत्र कहि दे छुआ it is applicable only for degenerate atomic orbitals सेटा क्लियरली मन रखिबो ए केस रे सेटा लागू होबो नाही for other orbitals it is governed by n plus l rule बा above principle but it is applicable only for degenerate atomic orbitals जा पई हम जानिनु what is the principle because the above principle and n plus l rule stands for your other orbitals for which we can calculate their energy and the principle states that the atomic orbitals are filled up in the increasing order of their energy जानिछ but for these orbitals where their energy is same ताको को भाबे degenerate orbital या पई गोटिए रूल केवल लागू होछि that is Hond's rule कोन ना no pairing of electron will take place in case of degenerate atomic orbitals जे पर्यंत समस्त गोटे गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन पाइ नाहंती पेयरिंग हे परिबो नाही no pairing of electron will take place in case of degenerate atomic orbitals unless each atomic orbital is singly filled second point आउट कोन रहिछि जदि सिंगली फिल अप होइछथि ताको तीन जनकर स्पिन ता समान रहबो पैरेलल रहबो अदर माने गोटे स्पिन डाउन गोटे स्पिन अप हेकि रहि परिबो नै सो आइदर ऑल ऑफ देम विल बी स्पिन अप और स्पिन डाउन ओके सो मोस्टली दे विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पिन अप पोजीशन ओके तो जते बेले सन सिंगली फिल अप हेबे ताको स्पिन ता पैरेलल रहबो दिस इज कॉल्ड Hond's rule so students I think you have followed the three rules which govern the filling up of atomic orbitals details रे पढैछि so try to remember them because it will be useful in every class प्रत्येक जगह दरकार because this is the basics of chemistry you have to remember the electronic configuration for which you have to remember these three rules Abba's principle then n plus l rule then Pauli's exclusion principle and then your Hond's rule okay so next I'll give you some assignments so what is the assignment number 2 assignment 2 for today's class write down the electronic configuration of कहते हैं नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन and fluorine using orbital notation, using orbital notation and Horn's rule, and Horn's rule. Orbital notation लिखला माने Horn's rule तुमको अप्लाई करिया को पड़िबो. Okay, so this is the next assignment for you. You have to write down the electronic configuration of oxygen and fluorine. दुईटा केवल देछि. You can try for others. नि जदि चाहिबो others पई अप्लाई करि परियो, but तुमको केवल दुईटा देछि, oxygen and fluorine using orbital notation and Horn's rule. जेमति मु छुआ लिखिछि सेमति लिखि पठेबो. So follow how I have written these things. So this is called orbital notation, this is called SPDF notation. So देखियो होछि easy कोटा लागुछि ना, definitely this one is easier. एठी तुमको डिवाइड करिया पड़िबो ऑर्बिटल्स को. Remember, then think of D रे 5 टा ऑर्बिटल करिवो, dxy, dyz, dxz, then dx square minus y square, dz square. 5 टा ऑर्बिटल एमति तुमको लिखिया पड़िवो. Accordingly Horn's rule will be applied. Okay, so assignment 1 देइथली क्लियरली जे पर्यंत तुमको न कहैछि you don't go for orbital notation. बुझिया छ एठी मु तुमको पचारिछि orbital notation, that's why you have to go for orbital notation. Otherwise you don't go for orbital notation, you have to go for SPDF notation. किंतु एठी पचारिछि, so you write down the electronic configuration of oxygen and fluorine using orbital notation and applying Horn's rule. Okay, so this is the assignment for you. So students, with this we complete the filling up of atomic orbitals by using 3 rules. Then in the next class we will conclude your atomic structure or structure of atom by discussing some exceptions in electronic configuration and nodes or nodal planes present in the atomic orbitals. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.